Obviously, for those that are watching, we are currently on my second channel, More Max Velocity, and also on the main channel for members.
Griddy emergency for the United States. This is a possible mass casualty situation. This message has been approved for transmission by the Department of Homeland Security and the White House. Griddy warning now in effect for all states, provinces and territories of the U.S. at 2:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 1:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 3:07 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, and 4:07 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Max velocity was reported to reach 999,000 subscribers. Max is forecasted to reach 1 million within the next few hours. This is a potential mass casualty situation. Hazard, Max hitting the Griddy. Impact, chat spamming Griddy emoji will be dangerous to those caught without a forecast for their area. Mods will be overwhelmed. Comments will be filled with Griddy timestamp. r/EF5 will be inundated with spam posts, and the Discord server will have a 1-hour slow-mo. Locations impacted include Alabama, Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Georgia, Hawaii, Idaho, Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Michigan, Minnesota, Mississippi, Missouri, Montana, Nebraska, Nevada, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, North Carolina, North Dakota, Ohio, Oklahoma, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, South Carolina, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Utah, Vermont, Virginia, Washington, West Virginia, Wisconsin, Wyoming, American Samoa, Guam, the Northern Mariana Islands, Puerto Rico, the U.S. Virgin Islands, and the District of Columbia. Take shelter in a basement or storm cellar, or any underground area. If none is available, find the most interior windowless room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building, such as a bathroom. If in a vehicle, pull well off of the road, turn off the engine, and get under the dashboard while covering yourself with a cushion or other soft object. As a last resort, abandon your vehicle and lie flat in a ditch or other low-lying area, and cover your head with your hands. To repeat, a Griddy emergency is in effect for all of the United States. Take cover now, take cover now, take cover now.
Who is the best of me? I said, I ain't free, all it ain't even